What's up, all my 2A lovers? It's your girl Tina Faye, and welcome back to That Girl with the Gun.
Flaky inspired. Fight.
Okay, y'all, so I know y'all already see me in this shirt. Like I told y'all, I'm trying to push some videos out there. I'm trying to hit y'all with some bangers and some bangers. So, yes, I got the same shirt on. I apologize. Next one that I do, I will change my shirt. But best believe I'm probably going to look the same because today is record day, today is video day, and today is the day that I record on my videos. So I apologize if I look the same over and over and over again. I'm just trying to get more videos out for you guys, so I hope you understand. All right, so I promised myself that I wasn't going to chat too much because I tend to talk a lot. And today I wanted to show you guys my new MCK. So I got this MCK and she's pink. Oh, we gonna call her Pinky. So I don't know why I have this habit of naming everything. Like I can literally name a fly. Like I have a habit of naming everything. Everything has to have a name to me. I don't know why. It just has to have a name. It just has to have a name. So I actually got this on a deal. It was buy one get one free. I think they still got the deal going on. So if they do, go ahead and head over there. I'm gonna probably put the link in my description. Go ahead and head over there and get you 2-for-1 deal. Okay, get you a 2-for-1 deal. I think they're doing buy one get one free, but I think it's on the Gen 2 now and not on the Gen 1. This is the Gen 1. I probably would have went with the Gen 2 had I known that they was having a deal, but I already got 2. So this is the pink one, and this is made for my Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 calibered in 9mm. So let me show you guys her. Someone had asked me to do a review on this and show you guys how to actually put her in here. And I had a difficult time in putting her, like putting my M&P in here, Sasha. And yeah, I had a hard time. So I hope I don't struggle today in this video, but we gonna see. So I also put a red dot on her. I bought a red dot when I went to that gun show, that little trash gun show that we went to the other day. Yeah, I did buy something because I was like, look, you can't come all the way out here and not buy nothing. So I bought some. So I got this, and it's actually not even a red dot. It's actually a green dot. But it's really nice. I haven't tried it out. We're gonna go to the range and try it out together. Don't worry. So it is a foldable. So what you do is, this pink thing right here is how this thing connects. So what you would do is you just like hook it on there. You hook it on. So you see how I like picked it up? Oh, okay, you can see it right here. So you pull it up this way and you pull it out. And then how to like push it back in, you just push it in and you push it down. So that's how you do that. So we're just gonna unfold her, and then let me show you guys how to fold her back in. So to fold her back in, there's a button right here. You push that button and that is how you fold it back in. All right, so oh, it also has this cool piece right here where you could put like a knife, or you could put your extra mag in here, or what else did they put in here? I forgot what else they had put in here, but there's so many things you could do with this, and they sell accessories for their firearms. They just don't have the knife anymore for this one. And then also right here, you could put something right here as well. And then they also come with the, listen, I'm gonna try to say this word, and I know y'all gonna get on me if I don't say it right, but is it Picani rails? Is it Picani rails? Okay, I think that's how you say it. Let me know in the description, in the comment section if I'm saying it wrong. Okay, all right, so what you do is you take this button, you push it down, and then you, hold on, I gotta do this down. All right, so you take this button right here, you push it down, and then you slide it to get it open. Okay, so on the inside right here, this thing right here is specifically made for specific firearms. So you have to have a specific firearm to do it. And as you guys can see on the inside, it says M&P 2.0. So you know that it is for an M&P 2.0. And on the inside, I don't know if you guys can see right here, but it has the ridges right here the same way that my M&P has the ridges. So what you would do is you would take this and have it at an angle, and then you would push it down. Hold on, let me make sure that it's down. Okay, so there we go. So you wanna, there we go. And as you guys heard that little click, so now that you have it down, you wanna make sure that it's aligned to your firearm. You don't wanna push it in yet until you make sure that those ridges are aligned to your firearm. And then once you make sure that they're aligned, then you want to push your firearm inside. And did you guys hear that click when I pushed it in? So you want to push it in until you hear that click. And then, so once you hear that click, you know that it's in and it's secure. You also want to use this, which is supposed to help the slide back. And you want to make sure, let me do it on this side so you guys can see on this side better. So you want to pull this back and you want to make sure that it works, that it's pulling it back, because that's how you know that it's in position. So now this door hatchet right here, you want to push it down. So let me pick it up. You see these red pieces right here? That'll help you because you want these red pieces to go in here. But when you push it down, it doesn't go in there just yet until you push it forward. So you want these red pieces to go in here. So you push it down, slide it forward, and you guys heard that click, right? That means that it's in lock position. So also my mag is never in my firearms every time I do videos unless I'm at the gun range and I'm ready to fire. So just a safety precaution. My guns are never loaded when I do YouTube videos, only when I go to the range. And when I get to the range, I usually do safety precautions because I don't want the 2A police to come and get me and be like, you didn't even clear it. You didn't even clear it. Okay, so now you're ready. And I'm gonna turn my green dot on. Boom. Oh, it's a red dot in here too. Hold up. I haven't gotten into like optics and stuff yet, or like gotten into like red dots and green dots and all that yet. So I don't even know how it works, but honey, I didn't know that they give you a red and green dot. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's fire. So how you would fire it, you would fire like how you would fire a regular like rifle or whatever. Pull this back like that. Boom. Pull it back. Boom. And that's just that on that. So this is my MCK Gen 1 in pink, and it calibers, what is it calibering? But it houses my M&P 2.0, and I cannot wait to take this to the range with me. We are definitely going to the range in the next video. And we're going to shoot this and see how it goes and see how I feel about it. And I'll give you guys my honest review on it. I'll let you guys know, ladies, if this is a good thing or a bad thing. We're going to rate it together. But I feel like this is a game changer for my ladies who have a hard time shooting with a pistol but have a better time with shooting with a rifle, because I'm like that too. Like, I love shooting big guns because I feel like when it comes to accuracy and hitting the targets, obviously because the rod is longer and it's a lesser distance, obviously I'm aiming at it, but it's just the feel of it and everything. I feel like holding the pistol in your hand, you have to have wrist strength and you have to have more strength. When you hold like a rifle, it's with your shoulder is taking in that impact. But when you are shooting with a pistol, I feel like your wrist is taking in that impact. So it's totally different. So I'm gonna let y'all know, ladies, if I approve this, if I feel like it's something that we could all rock with. But that's my review on the MCK Gen 1. I will be purchasing the Gen 2 later on down the line. It's not going to be no time soon, but later on down the line, I'll purchase the Gen 2 and let you guys know what's the difference. Like if there is any difference or whatever, I will let you guys know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all, to your girl. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.